viewers, as Bangladesh remains on the edge, there is a massive stir which is happening over the lynching of the Hindu man. We were earlier telling you about what's happening in the national capital, but now there are pan-India protests. Protests are happening not just in Delhi, but also in Jammu. So on one hand, there's a massive protest which is taking place in the national capital, in Jammu as well. There is a chorus which is growing for the justice for Hindus in Bangladesh. The Hindu groups are protesting from Jammu to the national capital. My colleague Ankit is joining us live from Jammu. Ankit, over to you. Take us through the protests which are happening in Jammu at the moment.
Yes, absolutely. There is a massive protest which is being staged over here in Jammu. You can see the Bar Association members are protesting over here on the lynching of the Hindus in the Bangladesh. You can see how these protesters are protesting. We will talk to some of them. क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिस तरीके से बांग्लादेश में हिंदुओं की
ये नरसंहार टोटल निंदनीय है। ये हम ये कहेंगे कि आपने चिन्हित करके टारगेट करना किसी देश में ये मानवता का कृत्य नहीं है, ये अमानवता है, ये नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त है। हम भारत सरकार से मांग करते हैं, जो बांग्लादेश जिसको भारत ने ही आजाद करवाया था, आज वो जिहादी मानसिकता को लेकर पाकिस्तान के इशारे पर एक टारगेट किलिंग कर रहा है, जो नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त है। मैं पूरी इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी से आग्रह करता हूं, कम फॉरवर्ड एंड इम्पोज सैंक्शंस अपॉन देम एंड दे आर नॉट बी गिवन एनी बेनिफिट as is given to a country. This country must be shunted out, put off from the map of the world. And again, from your channel, I respectfully submit to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Pradhan Mantri Modi Sahab and Amit Shah ji to take strict action against.
You can see how the mass protest is being held over here. The Bar Association in the Jammu is staging the protest against the Bangladesh. They are totally demanding that the Hindus which are living in the Bangladesh, they should be saved, as the MEA is also closely monitoring the whole situation in the Bangladesh. But there is a pan-India protest which is underway. I am in the Jammu and you can see how the mass protest is going on. We will talk some of the other protesters over here. Sir, क्या कहना चाहिए? You can see how these protesters are protesting. They are totally demanding that the Hindus which are living who are living in the Bangladesh, their rights should be saved. They should be saved. This is a Bar Association in Jammu who had called for a protest against the Bangladesh, and they are totally demanding that the Hindus which are living over there, they should be saved. We will try to talk with some of these protesters over here. सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे बांग्लादेश में जो प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है?
सर, जो वहाँ पे जो अत्याचार हो रहा है उसको बंद करें, क्योंकि 1 करोड़ से ज्यादा बांग्लादेशी जो हिंदुस्तान में रहते हैं, जो 1971 में आए थे, वहाँ से 50% भी वापस नहीं गए थे। आज भी वो वाले 1 करोड़ से ऊपर बांग्लादेशी हिंदुस्तान में रहे, उन सबको वापस निकालो, अपने आप सारे मसले हल हो जाएंगे।
So now they are demanding the Rohingyas which are living in the India, they should be sent back to their countries, and they are totally demanding that the Rohingyas which are living in Jammu also, they should be sent back. And there is a massive anger between the people over here. There is a massive pan-India protest in Jammu also. There has been a protest against the Bangladesh. Back to you.
All right. So on one hand, we have protests which are happening in Jammu, and also protests are happening in the national capital. Kritika continues to be live with us. Kritika, you were bringing us all those voices, and we can see the crowds literally swelling with every passing minute. There is a huge crowd in the national capital. It's a massive protest. It's not just VHP, but also, I believe, many other Hindu groups who have joined the protest, demanding justice for the family of the Hindu man who has been lynched, and also expressing outrage over the type of brutality we saw in Dhaka. Kritika, if you can hear us, can you take us through what's happening on the ground? I believe the crowds are swelling with each passing minute.
Yes, in fact, here are the visuals right on your screen. See, now we're at the second barricading that had been set up. lots of people who have stepped on top of the barricade as well. It's fallen currently and protesters have stood up upon it. There were police officials who were trying to push back all the protesters so that the entire event here could be carried out in a quieter fashion. It's supposed to be a solidarity, a turn-up of solidarity, a turn-up of outrage, yes. But the Delhi police and the paramilitary forces are also trying to ensure that the protesters are restricted to this very barricade as well. On your screens also, multiple posters over there as well of how there will be how Indians and Hindus in India will not tolerate any atrocity that is meted out in Bangladesh. These are the banners that people are also carrying. We'll also get you a word in, but there are more, in fact, people coming here. There's also a lot of chaos here with the barricades as well. Protesters are trying to remove the barricades to a safer distance. The barricade completely undone by the protesters here. They're trying to move it so that other people do not get hurt, and that the way towards the High Commission is cleared as well. Remember, 6 to 7 layers of barricades have been set up by the Delhi police, by the paramilitary forces, in order to create a safe distance between the protesters as well as the Bangladesh High Commission. A few days ago as well, the Ministry of External Affairs had clarified that it remains a priority for Indian authorities to ensure that any foreign missions and posts in the country are protected. That is the key difference here that the government is also trying to point out. But there are multiple people who have collected here with posters and have turned up in solidarity and in outrage against what has happened. Sir, आप बताइए, आप इधर आज प्रोटेस्ट पर आए हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये कहना चाहेंगे मोदी सरकार से कि जो हिंदुओं पर अत्याचार हो रहा है उन पे अपना लगाम लगाएं और उन पे समझो जो हिंदुओं में अत्याचार हो रहा है उनके खिलाफ पूरे वर्ल्ड में बात उठाएं. क्या
पूरे वर्ल्ड में that they're demanding that the Prime Minister should in fact raise these issues on the world stage as well. More people joining us. क्या कहेंगे, आज आप यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट पर आए हैं, एक बैरिकेड भी आप लोगों ने क्रॉस किया है.
ये बैरिकेड क्रॉस नहीं करा, ये कार्यकर्ताओं में, हिंदू युवाओं में, हिंदुओं के अंदर एक आक्रोश है. वो आक्रोश कहीं ना कहीं तो फूटेगा. ये लोग बांग्लादेश नहीं जा सकते, पर जो लोग बांग्लादेश जा सकते हैं, हिफाजत कर सकते हैं सरहदों की, हिंदुओं की, उनके लिए ये शोर है कि कम से कम तुम तो जाग जाओ, तुम तो हिंदुओं की रक्षा कर लो. इसलिए ये प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है.
So this is what people have to say here as well. Lots of outrage over the horrendous killing. Of course, on your screens as well, the effigies, the tricolor flag, all of that's waving with the protesters. Once again, someone has climbed atop the barricade to address the assembly here. They're trying to raise slogans. The idea is not to cross this level of barricade. That is why we're seeing people now on top of the barricade. They're trying to calm down the other protesters, so another layer of barricade are not breached. Remember, the police also has been trying to push away the protesters. More, in fact, there are women, there are children, there are older people also a part of the protests here. A lot of them have turned up, and in fact, the priority of the security officials currently is to ensure that they do not breach the safe limit of what.
Absolutely, and we can see that sort of anger and outrage which is presiding amongst people. Protests obviously escalating in the national capital, brutality in Dhaka, and we can see the reverberations in Delhi. From Delhi to Jammu and Kashmir, protests are on the rise. We are keeping an eye on this big story. Thank you, Kritika and Ankit, for bringing us all those ground updates. We slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.